This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a rear view mirror on a Ford Focus. First, gather your essential tools, including a new mirror, a small flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. It's also important to ensure your windshield is completely clean and dry where the mirror attaches. This thorough preparation is absolutely crucial for a strong and secure installation of your new mirror. Now, let's move on to removing the old mirror from your Ford Focus. Most mirrors are designed to twist off. Firmly grasp the mirror base and rotate it counterclockwise about 1/4 of a turn. It should then slide down and off the mounting button. If it feels stubborn, applying a little gentle heat from a hairdryer can help loosen any old adhesive, making removal easier. With the old mirror successfully removed, it's time to prepare the windshield for your new one. Thoroughly clean the mounting button and the surrounding glass area with rubbing alcohol. This step is vital for removing any old adhesive residue and ensuring a perfectly strong bond. Next, carefully apply the new adhesive pad to the clean mounting button, pressing it firmly into place. Finally, you're ready to install your new rear view mirror. Align the mirror's base with the mounting button on the windshield. Press it firmly into place, rotating clockwise until it locks securely. Hold it for at least 1 minute to ensure good adhesion. Let the adhesive cure for a full 24 hours before making any adjustments to the mirror's position, ensuring a lasting hold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.